How to add 1 minute video to Instagram stories without splitting. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your version of Instagram is updated. Go to App Store, search Instagram, and if it says open, then you have the latest version of the app and you are good to go. But if the button says update, please go ahead and update your application. After updating, let's open the Instagram now. They added a feature where you can upload a 60-second video and story without splitting. So as long as yours is updated, this feature should be applicable to you. So swipe left or click your story, go to your videos and click on a 1 minute video. As you can see here, the message that updates you regarding this feature will pop up. And here, it shows that my video can be uploaded without splitting. Upload it, and once we check, it really is uploaded in just one story. So that is how you add 1 minute video to Instagram stories without splitting. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.